Morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, you're gonna be spending the day with me. I know I sound a little bit rough, but I'll get better throughout the day because I've just woken up, so I sound a little bit rusty, whatever. But yeah, I'm officially a dog mom now, so we're gonna take my dog on a play date, and y'all will get to know her, whatever. And I'm also meeting the besties, so yeah, let's get into it. Jump out this bed and get ready.
If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world.
So as you can hear, my baby's in the back making a nuisance because I just brought her a new cage and she doesn't like it. She wants to sleep under the bed. So yeah. So I'm out of bed and I'm with this one now. See how she's still making noise. Still a nuisance, sassy as hell. It's because she doesn't like the cage, but she'll get used to it, so yeah. So I'm going to go and wash my face, brush my teeth, shower, and come back when it's time to get ready or do like a little mini skincare routine, okay? So I've done my hair as well off camera because I was thinking it's just gonna be easier. So I'm gonna go do my makeup now. So wanna say hi? Hi. So yeah, I'm literally gonna do my makeup now and show you guys, and then get it cracking because we gotta go. I gotta pack her bag and I gotta go buy her some stuff. I'm gonna leave her at home with my sister before I take her properly out. But yeah, we gonna get to it when we get to it. So guys, I'm literally about to start my makeup now. Like I'm gonna prep my skin and then get into it because I gotta go. Like the time is literally running past me and I'm just here moving like a snail because I'm just tired. This dog has had me tired, but it's new. It's a new beginning, so you know, gotta get used to it. But yeah, let's get into the makeup.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. You know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, you would always crawl back? Cause baby, you see everything for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then I tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on your daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, bye, bye. focus. Hands in the soap. Hot faucet in front of it, I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lately I'm broke. I know we get this much, so I guess I keep going. But I feel alone even when I'm alone. And that don't go good, but I don't want you up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Back sex, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might be playing with. Makes me wonder who you think it's playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over again. Sweat change, but I noticed the end. I'm true on the scene, thinking you know you're so funny to me. I know you think I left my one time. Got tired of you, shit, you almost drew mine. Say my name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you wasting my time.
Cozy.
I felt like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Big felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I'm pulling a 10. Right, Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we can play tag. Red, but these things me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit, got me yelling out like the scream house. You're yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. Big Ferrari, we peeling out. So take, bring the vibe, peeling out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby, yelling, yelling, get yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I'm pulling a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Icky. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. I mean, not no club out. Keep on playing the playhouse. Fuck it, don't say nothing. I'm watching this bitch, I'm rubbing her stay out. Like I'm ready to
So guys, I literally just finished my makeup. I'm gonna go feed my baby. So yeah, I'm gonna feed her, then get her ready. So when I get back from the shops, I can just pick her up and skedaddle. Okay, so let me go feed her and get back to y'all. I thought I'd just show you guys me feeding her, but obviously because I'm gonna do dog vlogs, me and Zori, I just think that I should just show you guys what I'm doing right now. Okay. I was here. Basically, I give her probably half of this food and I put the rest back, and then I put her water in it. So yeah, let's feed the dog. In the meantime, while I'm preparing her food, I'm gonna go and stuff an outfit because I don't know what I'm wearing today. So I'm gonna stuff her outfit and then get ready and then feed her. Then let go. Okay, so yeah, if y'all want to see what outfit I'm wearing, well, you'll probably see later. But if you want to see me getting ready, go and check out the shorts because it's there for you. So yeah. So guys, I finally stepped out. Like, I'm literally going to get her stuff right now. It's raining, so I'm gonna get back to y'all like when I'm in the shop or something, because I don't need my shit to be wet. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I literally just got her wipes and some training pads. I didn't find a blanket or anything, but yeah, we gotta go. So she's gonna have to just suck it up for now and be in the couch. So guys, I literally just came back now. So now it's time to pack her bag, pack her stuff, and get going. So she can see her sister. I just don't know how I'm gonna pack her because she don't have no packing luggage to be traveling on public transport or any transportation, you know? Let's figure it out and yeah.
Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing the beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seems like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. Whenever I'm on that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you scissors and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around.
Guys, imagine these fucking posers don't want to fucking walk. So, we carry them like fucking babies in handbags, which is underneath my arm. No, we can't even get a Red Bull. All the shops are full. Dog moms! Hi, mommy baby. Hey, my baby. That little fat fat. I can't wait. Guys! The third musketeer is here.
Yeah,
Oh, we about to get it cracking. Y'all know what it is when we get together. Why did you get them presents? Say thank you. She looks has already. Look at her. You're gonna be a good my mom was like, she's going to meet. They're going to meet the Godfather today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So guys, for some odd reason, I found myself in a predicament where I'm going out with my friend to an event. But it's just a chill vibe, so I'm gonna just touch up on my makeup and yeah. These two are literally down there fighting. And then everybody's literally vibing, doing their own thing, something in her makeup. So yeah. Huh? Guys, run the ghetto! Oh. We're in the ghetto.
She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak doggo, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who said that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I told them all that these hoes be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches, and I always
in my bed because I'm literally gonna call it a night because it's been so stressful. So when she dragged me through shit on the bus and embarrassed me when the bus was full. So I'm just gonna call it a night and go to bed. But I've had a really good day. I've really had a good productive kind of energy and day. So we're gonna call it a night. I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't